Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and there's nothing better than the combination of a hammock and a chair. And this combination is by Nice C, and it is certainly nice. It is so easy to put together. The frame is one piece that you just pull out like an accordion, and just make sure you lock it on both sides of the leg so you don't fall down. And the hammock part, again, is one piece. It's just got these two knobs that you push down on each side. It has the option of a footrest, which was so nice. It just elevated the comfort. I really appreciated that option to have it on or off. You can adjust the backrest so that you're not fully extended out, but are in a sitting position. The pillow on the back is extremely comfortable. It's got multiple pockets that you can use so much for. I had a place to put my phone, to have my water there on my side. My favorite feature is that if you don't want the footrest, you can actually put those bars back. You can have just the luxury of being able to relax. And then if you need to get up, you don't have to worry about tripping over those footrest poles. This was great to carry with us to a stargazing location. Again, it was easy to set up and it was so great to just sit back, relax, and enjoy the night sky. Both my husband and I loved having this on our camping trip, and as easy as it was to put together, it is so easy to take apart, wrap it around, put it in the bag, and you can just then sling it over your shoulder and pack it in your car when you're ready to go. I loved it, but that's just my point of view.